Welcome back to Car Gear, your go-to destination for luxury car reviews and auto insights. Today we're diving deep into one of the most exclusive and opulent vehicles of the future, the 2025 Mercedes-Maybach Mythos SL. This ultra-luxurious Roadster blends the elite craftsmanship of Maybach with the sportiness of the SL series, creating a vehicle that's not just a car, but a statement of pure automotive art and prestige. Let's begin with the exterior design of the 2025 Maybach Mythos SL. This car is a head-turner from every angle. The long sculpted hood, ultra-low stance and grand proportions scream exclusivity. It keeps the classic SL silhouette but elevates it with Maybach's signature luxury elements. The front grille features vertical chrome bars and the Maybach emblem, exuding pure class. The hood is low and flowing, with aerodynamic lines running seamlessly across the body. You'll also notice bespoke 24-inch forged wheels, wrapped in high-performance tires, specially designed for the Mythos series. These wheels are finished with polished Maybach monograms and floating center caps. The side profile features long doors and a clean, muscular shoulder line that gives it that sporty yet regal presence. At the rear, the slim taillights, integrated spoiler, and chrome-finished diffuser give it a dynamic but classy exit view. This is not just a roadster, it's an open-top yacht on four wheels. Now moving into the cabin of the 2025 Maybach Mythos SL, and let me tell you, it's like stepping inside a five-star suite designed by a luxury hotel. Everything is custom, everything is premium. You're surrounded by the finest Nappa leather, real wood trim, and polished metal finishes. Mercedes has done a fantastic job blending analog elegance with cutting-edge digital technology. The seats are not only heated and ventilated but offer massage features with Maybach-specific modes for ultimate relaxation. You'll also find exclusive stitching patterns, Maybach crests embossed into the headrests, and ambient lighting that wraps the cabin in a warm, customizable glow. The center console features a massive old touchscreen with haptic feedback, connected to the latest MBUX system. This includes voice control, augmented reality, navigation, and AI-based personalization. There's also a Maybach-specific interface with unique animations and themes. Even the air vents are precision-machined and whisper quiet. The Mythos SL is a strict two-seater, but what you lose in rear seats you gain in exclusivity and detail. The roof is a high-quality fabric soft top that retracts silently in under 15 seconds, letting you enjoy open-air cruising at a moment's notice. Now let's talk about performance. Because this isn't just a showpiece, it's a beast under the hood. The 2025 Mercedes-Maybach Mythos SL is powered by a hand-built 6.0-liter twin-turbo V12 engine, pushing out around 650 horsepower and 900 Newton-meters of torque. It's mated to a 9-speed automatic transmission and Mercedes' Formatic all-wheel drive system. This powertrain allows the car to go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 4 seconds, which is astonishing for a car this luxurious. The ride quality is buttery smooth, thanks to active suspension and rear-wheel steering, which makes maneuvering this grand roadster feel surprisingly nimble. There's also an adaptive damping system and advanced drive modes that range from Comfort to Sport Plus, allowing the Mythos SL to transform from a laid-back cruiser to a performance machine with a twist of a dial. Engine noise is well muted in Comfort mode but turns into a thunderous growl when pushed. The handling is sharp yet composed, with excellent grip and feedback. It's not a track car, but it holds its own in spirited driving. When it comes to pricing, exclusivity comes at a steep cost. Mercedes has positioned the Maybach Mythos SL as a collector-grade car, and production will be extremely limited. It's expected to start around $600,000, but depending on customization and region's taxes, it could easily cross the $700,000 mark. Each unit will be hand-built and tailored to the buyer's specifications. This is not just a vehicle, it's an experience, a piece of automotive art for the 1% of the 1%. So, is the 2025 Mercedes-Maybach Mythos SL worth it? For most of us, it's a dream that might never park in our garage, but for the lucky few, it represents the pinnacle of luxury, performance, and status. This car is not about practicality, it's about emotion, craftsmanship, and exclusivity. Whether you're driving it or just admiring it, the Mythos SL leaves an unforgettable impression. If you enjoyed this in-depth review, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Car Gear for more luxury car content and future automotive legends. Drop a comment and tell us, if money were no object, would you take the Mythos SL for a spin? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.